Howdy y'all. On today's episode, we're going to be cleaning up this terminal block a little bit because we're having an issue with our ground with our connection to this terminal block, So, we're just going to take it off quickly, mess around with the wires, jiggle around a little bit in there, get a better connection. So, first step we're going to do is disconnect our negative on both batteries so it's safe to work on without having it arc or waste power. Alright, so I'll get back with you guys when the cables are off the batteries. Alright, we got the negatives off both batteries. So we're safe to start playing around with this battery block here. It's pretty beat up, so I'm swapping it out in a few weeks probably, or a few months, depending on the season. It's still pretty cold out here, so I'm not going to do it anytime soon. But I do like to have my truck able to drive around without any jumps every time. So there's this terminal block here. So I'm going to start taking off the top bolts here. And we'll see what's in there. Well, that's a good omen. Look at that right there. Snapped off inside that block. Which means they fuse together. We're going to continue working though to see what happens. So I'll let you guys know what happens next. Alright. That looks pretty spicy. And we broke a bolt off in there, so we gotta buy a new one of these terminal blocks or this thing anyway. So now we're gonna put it back on and tighten it all up. Best we can get it tightened up. So it'll work for now. So we get time to go back to the store and get some new parts for the terminal and some terminal cleaner. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys this thing back on in steps, okay? Alright. Alright y'all, we got it all tied back in together, except for that one that's broken off, but that's fine, it should work now because it's touching better now. So, we're going to put back on our negative terminals and try her out. Alright, see y'all in a second with the thing on it. Alright y'all, now we're tied in, so it should, in theory, give us some action. Let's see what you do. Put my tools in the back so I don't lose them in the engine bay. Alright. I don't see any interior lights yet, but hey, this never really had a good one in here. I'm trying to find those truck keys right here in my pocket. There we go. I found our trusty dusty truck keys. Put them in the hole. Oh yeah, pump is pumping. It's cooking itself on its ground. That's cute. A lot of fire? I don't know. There we go. Still click clacking away. Must be glow plugs lighting up doing that. Yep, because now it says wait to start is off. Oh yeah, baby. We got power back. You gotta love the old IDI rumbling. Just clapping along like mad. That's that fast idle stick. Let's kick her a little bit. Just to calm back down for us. Oh yeah. You gotta love that. Easy start. And that's how you check your ground strap, or not ground strap, your positive strap on your battery once it's old. There's a quick farm fix for it. Take it off, put it back on, with a little more tightness on it, and it should be good. But we broke off that tab in the corner there, so we got to put a new one back onto it again. It's no big deal. We can do that. But since I saw it arcing off of here, we're going to remove the negative straps again. So I'll just show you guys how to do it. I'm going to do it on video here. And there we go. Our negative straps are both off, so she won't light on fire when we're away. Alright guys. Keep throwing knuckles, keep throwing wrenches, and keep on keeping on. See y'all next time.